In order to make your designs even more precise, you can enable the guides and work with it inside of Google Slides. So over here, to do that, I'm going to go around into View, and then I'm going to go to Guides right here. So here you can see that I can go around and show the guides. And by default, you can see that you got a crosshair like guide right here, which is on the center. So this is the exact center. You can move around the guide right here, as you can see, and you can add in the guide by clicking over here. You can see that by clicking on the ruler and by dragging it in right here, just like this. So you can go around and drag it. So you can go around and then you can add in more guides by going into guides and by clicking on add vertical guides as well. That's how you can work around with guides. You can go around into view guides, and then you can go around into add horizontal guide to add in a horizontal guide as well. So you can go around and see that there's edit guides guide option as well. So you can go around and change out the color of the guides right here, like guide 2 and 3, as you can see right here. You can change around, add new guide as well, press OK, and this is how it seems. So you can go around over here and change out everything. You can also clear out all the guides. If you were to press clear guides, everything is gone, as you can see. So I can just drag in a few more guides right here. You can also go on to View and then go on to Snap to, and then if the guides is on, what will happen is that if you were to go around and click some shapes right here, it'll snap on right here, as you can see. It'll just snap on to the guide right here. So I can just go around and it snaps on. I can copy and paste this and keep it right here. Copy and paste this and keep it right over here as well, just like this. Copy and paste this and keep it right here, just like this. And that is how it works around. So you can go around and keep it right here. And you can see that everything becomes precise with the guides. So that is how you can use the guides option inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.